Hey, it's another Tsunami Self-Defense trail talk. We're out in the trails. I just wanted to make a quick video to post to our YouTube channel, Tsunami Vision, to let you know that this channel is expanding. We're going to be adding more content in a greater variety of ways. Look for some actually technique-driven videos, as well as some of the interviews. Our podcast, Tsunami Soundwave. We had a great season 3 that ended in May of 2025, and some of the little interviews we did there, we might share some of that stuff here, as well as brand new interviews never before seen. Also on this channel and our other social media, look for short little clips. Our Tsunami, we used to call them Street Smart in 60, same vein, same theme. Short little clips on safety and personal protection. So look for all that coming up soon on this channel. Please like and share the channel. Subscribe, hit the bell, as they say, as the kids say. But please share. You're gonna see the channel expand and grow. More of our instructors will be on here. You won't just happen to listen to me all the time. It's gonna be big after this year, the rest of this year and beyond. We are in our 15th anniversary. 2025 is Tsunami Self-Defense turning 15. So with that, throughout the remainder of the year, August, September, and through the end of the year and into 26, we're going to really grow, expand, and diversify the Tsunami Vision YouTube channel. Thank you. Keep following. We'll see you soon. Stay safe and guard up.